What is the best diet for people with cerebral palsy, epilepsy, and autism? This question may seem complex, but it's incredibly crucial to understand. Why? Because the food we consume plays a significant role in managing these conditions. Let's embark on a journey to explore the importance of a tailored diet for individuals with cerebral palsy, epilepsy, and autism. You see, our bodies react and respond differently to various types of food, and for those with these conditions, certain dietary adjustments can make a world of difference. Sadly, there are many misconceptions floating around about the dietary requirements for people with these conditions. Some believe that a strict, restrictive diet is the only way forward, while others believe that diet has no effect at all. Both are far from the truth. So, let's debunk these myths and shed some light on this subject matter. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this topic with expert insights. Scene script. Let's start with understanding the dietary needs for individuals living with cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy, a neurological disorder that affects body movement and muscle coordination, often poses unique challenges when it comes to dietary needs. Today we're diving into this topic with the insights from a dietitian who specializes in cerebral palsy. Firstly, it's important to note that each individual with cerebral palsy may have different dietary requirements. This is due to variations in symptoms and severity of the condition. However, there are some general guidelines that can help maintain optimal health and well-being. A balanced diet is crucial. This means incorporating a variety of foods from all the food groups: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates provide the energy needed for daily activities. Fats, particularly those rich in omega-3s, are beneficial for brain health. Vitamins and minerals found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains aid in overall body functions and immune support. Regular mealtimes should not be overlooked. Consistency in mealtimes helps regulate the body's internal clock, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, it can also prevent overeating and help maintain a healthy weight, which is particularly important as individuals with cerebral palsy may have limited mobility. Hydration is another key aspect. Adequate fluid intake aids digestion, maintains body temperature, and helps the body absorb nutrients. Drinking water throughout the day can also prevent constipation, a common issue among individuals with cerebral palsy. While these are general guidelines, it's important to remember that each person's needs may vary. Some individuals may require a specialized diet or supplements to meet their nutritional needs. Therefore, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized advice based on individual needs and circumstances. Finally, remember that nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular physical activity, adequate rest, and medical care are also vital components of managing cerebral palsy. As we can see, a balanced diet plays a pivotal role in managing cerebral palsy. Moving on, let's explore the role of diet in managing epilepsy. To do this, we'll delve into a conversation with a neurologist who specializes in this field. When it comes to epilepsy, it turns out that what we eat can make a significant difference. There's a clear connection between the brain's functioning and our diet. The brain, after all, needs fuel to function optimally, and that fuel comes from the foods we consume. One approach that's been found to be particularly effective is the ketogenic diet. This diet is high in fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. The idea is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Why does this help with epilepsy, you might wonder? Well, when the body is in ketosis, it produces ketones, which are a type of acid. These ketones have been found to have a calming effect on the brain, which can help to reduce the frequency and severity of seizures. But the ketogenic diet isn't the only dietary therapy that's been studied for epilepsy. There's also the modified Atkins diet, which is a less restrictive version of the ketogenic diet. It still focuses on high fat and low carb, but it allows for a bit more protein and doesn't require strict calorie counting. Then there's the low glycemic index treatment diet. This one focuses on foods that have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. This can help to stabilize energy levels and prevent seizures. It's important to note that while these diets can offer benefits, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body is different, and what works best for one person may not work as well for another. It's always recommended to work with a healthcare professional when considering these diets. In conclusion, epilepsy management can significantly benefit from the right diet. This doesn't replace medication or other treatments, but it's a powerful tool that can complement them and help to improve quality of life. So, remember, what you eat truly does matter when it comes to managing epilepsy. Now, let's turn our attention to autism and its dietary considerations. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder with a wide range of symptoms, and while there's no one-size-fits-all approach to managing it, certain dietary strategies can sometimes provide significant benefits. A well-known approach that has gained attention over the years is the gluten-free, casein-free diet, often abbreviated to GFCF. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, rye, and barley, while casein is a protein found in dairy products. Some research suggests that individuals with autism might have a sensitivity or intolerance to these proteins, which could exacerbate their symptoms. The GFCF diet, therefore, eliminates these proteins from the diet entirely. However, it's crucial to understand that the GFCF diet is not a cure-all and won't work for everyone. Its effectiveness can vary greatly from person to person, and it should be implemented under the guidance of a healthcare professional or a dietitian who specializes in autism. Beyond the GFCF diet, there are other dietary strategies that might be beneficial. For instance, some individuals with autism may benefit from a diet high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in foods like fish and walnuts. Omega-3s are known to support brain health, which could potentially help manage some symptoms of autism. Another strategy might be to limit processed foods and sugars, which can sometimes trigger behavioral issues. Instead, focusing on a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables could be beneficial. However, just as with the GFCF diet, these strategies should be tailored to the individual and implemented under professional guidance. Each person with autism is unique, and their dietary needs will be too. Finding the right approach can involve some trial and error, but with patience and persistence, it can create a significant positive impact on the individual's quality of life. Indeed, a tailored diet can make a world of difference for individuals with autism. Having explored the dietary needs for each condition, let's identify the common themes. We've journeyed through the landscapes of cerebral palsy, epilepsy, and autism, investigating how diet can play a pivotal role in managing these conditions. From the outset, we discovered that personalization is key. Just as each individual is unique, so too are their dietary needs and preferences. The best diet for someone with cerebral palsy may not be the same as for someone with epilepsy or autism. Each person's body responds differently to various foods, and the optimal diet is one that takes into account these unique responses. We also learned about the importance of balanced nutrition. While specific dietary needs may vary, the common thread is that all individuals, regardless of their condition, need a diet rich in essential nutrients. This includes a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Eating a wide variety of foods can help ensure that these nutritional needs are met. We found that regular meal times are crucial for all three conditions. Consistency in meal times can help regulate the body's internal clock, aid digestion, and prevent overeating. It's not just about what we eat, but when we eat it. Importantly, we also highlighted the need for professional guidance. Consulting with a dietitian or healthcare professional can provide invaluable insight into the best dietary strategies for managing these conditions. They can help tailor a diet plan that suits the individual's needs, preferences, and lifestyle, ensuring that it is both nutritious and enjoyable. In conclusion, while each condition requires a unique dietary approach, there are common themes that transcend these differences. Personalized diet plans, balanced nutrition, and regular mealtimes are essential across the board. Above all, professional guidance can help navigate this complex terrain, providing tailored advice and support. Remember, the best diet is one that is tailored to the individual's needs and preferences. Consult with a dietitian or healthcare professional for the best advice.